What is up, guys? So finally got the Ram registered, insured, and ready to hit the streets. I want to go test drive it. I want to see if I can drive it normally with that ABS problem that it does have. If not, I guess I'm gonna just have to park it for about a week until my ABS module gets excuse me, but until it gets rebuilt. Other than that, it's ready to go. Hopefully in the next video I'm gonna be rebuilding the whole suspension, A-arms, ball joints, shocks, everything. And then I'm gonna be blending in the door, like I've said already. Hood, I'm waiting to go to Atlanta to go get the cow hood for this one and that one. But as soon as I get a little bit of free time, I'm swinging over there to go get it. But truck is ready to hit the streets. So I'm out here at Carlos's house. Say what's up to the vlog, Carlos. Come on. So we put a wrench and grill guard on here, and that shit came out pretty good. It's pretty easy to put on, just 2 bolts right here, and that's it. But this thing came out great. I brought the Ram over here to test out the 4-wheel drive on this. It's not much, but it's hella muddy over there. I was spinning on 2-wheel drive, but it's doing it. Obviously, it's not gonna do much on street tires. I need to go get it washed ASAP.
Three days later.
Alright guys, so we got a little bit change of plans. So the Silverado, unfortunately, I think it's time to let it go. I'm not gonna be using it as much. It's just kind of like how to put it, it's nice and nothing's wrong with it. I mean, I've already dumped a shitload of money into it. I mean, right now what I am gonna do is I'm gonna paint it so it can sell pretty fast. Y'all can see the paint's all messed up, but I'm gonna start sanding it down, sanding everything down. I'm gonna be painting it by steps. But one thing I will do is I'll try to like video as much as I can of the whole process. Right now I'm gonna start sanding the roof. After the roof, I'm gonna do the hood, and then I'm gonna paint that. I'm gonna stop right there with the sanding and paint that, and then, or I might even sand the whole truck down, I don't know. But as far as painting, it's only gonna be the roof and the hood, and then I'm gonna paint the rest of the truck, because I always struggle when it comes to, excuse me, the roof and the hood. I mean, the truck, I mean, I'm gonna regret selling it, because for the price that I'm gonna ask, I won't be able to buy another one and build it the same way. Because I mean, really, these trucks are up in price again. I mean, a stock one like this probably go for 8,000 to 10,000, maybe more. And then And that's only stock. You got to think about the lowering kit, billets, the HD hood, just the bumper and the grill. That's already, I think that's like 1,400, 1,500 with like tax and stuff. Wheels, that was like, wheels alone were $3,000, plus the sensors that I bought and some other stuff, and the tires, that comes out to like another 1,000, so like 4,000 right there. And then the interior, I don't know if y'all remember how I had to redo everything, the whole dash, the steering wheel, the column shifter, center console, leather seats, everything is wired. Well, that's moving hella slow, but you know, carpet, brand new carpet too from the Denali. It's got a lot of work, and honestly I don't think I can rebuild it for what I'm gonna ask for it, but it is what it is. Oh, the rebuilt transmission, that was another $3,000. And then in the motor, when I went to rebuild it, it was like another, I don't even remember, it was a couple years back, it was like 3 years ago. I'd probably say that's probably like, I can't remember if it was 3,500 or $4,000, somewhere around those lines. It's got a lot of money into it. The only reason I want to sell it is because I want a diesel, and the only way I'm gonna have a diesel is if I get rid of this one, because this one is just, I don't know, it's kind of like a weekend truck. But the problem is I have that one now, and I still got to finish building the other Ram, and that's gonna take another $5,000 for the motor and everything. And then I want a diesel, so this is the one that's gonna have to go. But I'm gonna go ahead and start signing it, and I will update y'all on the process. All right, so while I was sanding the Silverado down, my buddy Carlos called me, said he needed a jack, so I came over here and helped him. God damn. So right now we're trying to jack this thing up with concrete on it. Okay, now I'm back home, and this is so far what I got done. I want to take everything off, to be honest. I'm gonna take all of this paint off because I was noticing, let's see, where is it at? Not right here, but in some other, see, like there's a little spots, like those little spots, those are the ones that keep the paint cracking. So I think I'm gonna have to just strip everything like I did in this backside right here. But man, it's hot today. I think it's like 100 degrees right now, but I'm gonna go get some food and see when I'll get back to this. Alright guys, so far we didn't get much done today because I had to run and help Carlos with the trailer, and then me and my dad had to go look at some jobs and stuff like that. But this is so far what I got done. I decided I wasn't gonna take off the whole paint, but well, I might not take it off completely on here, but the roof was really, excuse me, was really bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and strip everything down to the bare metal and the metal. Well, bare metal and the primer, sorry. And then I gotta get that little spot over there. The back over here is pretty much completely done, but so far step one is done, which is to start it, because I really did not want to start it, but I started it. So we're gonna do the roof, and then we're gonna do the hood. I was gonna do the cow hood, but I started thinking more and more, and I mean, the more I invest, the less I'm gonna get out of it. So I'm gonna just, you know, keep it as it is right now and sell it. And the reason, like I said it before, the reason I'm selling it is because I do need a diesel, or at least a 2500. But obviously if I get a 2500, I'm not gonna get a gas, because that would be a waste of money if I get a gas 2500. But either it's for sale. I was gonna ask like 14k with the new paint job and everything. I mean, can I build it for that price again? Nope, I already know I can't, because these trucks right now here in Charleston, they're going for, like I said, 8 to 10k, and that's 8 to 10k with issues, if that makes any sense. And I mean, this truck's, it's pretty much fully loaded except heated seats and sunroof, but everything else works. I already fixed the window situation, so now I can control them all from that switch right there, and then each one it goes down by its own switch as well. Obviously you can see the tint. I ripped it off because I got mad, and new tint's coming also. New tint and new windshield, because it has a million cracks. 1, 2, I don't know, it's just cracked up everywhere. But the guy told me, the same guy that did my Ram, which he did a pretty good job for a reasonable price, he's gonna do this one. And then I think he said Thursday he's gonna do it, which obviously I won't be done with painting or anything, but I'm gonna go ahead and get that done, and then I'll just tape up the glass. But other than that, that's it for now. The side moldings, I'm gonna paint them as well, but I'm not gonna put them on. I just want to run it like that to see how it looks. If the new owner, when I sell it, wants to put them on, that's up to him. I might put them on, I don't know. Other than that, that is a wrap for today. Forgot to mention, look what I picked up for my dad. So a retractable cover, bed cover, and it's a little dirty, but it's literally almost brand new, honestly. Well, not brand new, but you know, oh, it's locked right now. But yeah, we locked it already. But I picked that one up for like $400. It's really good. It works great. It locks everything. There's a bunch of like little, I don't know, paint or something. But yeah, but if you look those up, it's not focusing. But I'm pretty sure if you look those up, they're going, I looked them up, and I believe for this truck it was like, I saw random prices like $1,800 to $2,000 almost for these bed covers. And I mean, for $400, that's not bad at all, to be honest. But yeah, all right guys, well, thanks for watching.